Okay, we are on day 2 of building the workshop. You can see behind me, still working on the floor, only got a couple hours. I think it's Monday. Just got off work about an hour ago. I got a couple hours to work on this. My father-in-law ran down to Lowe's to get some stuff. What we're gonna do is I've got it temporary mounted and pretty much leveled. So he's getting some material that we're gonna permanently put some footers in there, some posts, and then we'll start installing the floor. I'll show you what we got so far. I just got some temporary screws mounted up here on the house. I think there's one here, one there, and one there. I pretty much got it leveled until my father-in-law gets in here with some materials. And then what I'm going to do next, once I got it all leveled and I got the post in place, I've got some house wrap that I'm going to put underneath here, all along the underneath, and then insulation in between the joists. That house wrap underneath is what's going to hold the insulation in and hopefully keep it dry, during the winter when the snow melts and when it rains. So, but once he gets back from Lowe's with the materials, good going on that. Okay, well, I'm done for the night. It's going on 9 o'clock. I think I've been going at this for about 4 hours. GoPro ran out of memory, so I'm not sure when that shut off, but I discovered that about an hour ago. I know from filming yesterday, it was 3 hours, so I had about 2 hours on it. So, but I got the floor mounted and secured and leveled, and I've got the house wrap on underneath. So now from my next step is to get the insulation in and the floor on. So let me go ahead and show you what I got so far. All right, here we go. I just got that panel, just OSB board just laying there. But so I got the wrap on. That was sweat and tears right there to do that. I had very little space underneath to get up under there and staple it all on there. But I got it all secure, got the wrap on. So like I said, next I'm going to get the insulation, put it in there. I do have some more. I want to put some more supports right down the center. So I'll do that tomorrow too. And then hopefully I'll have the floor done by tomorrow. So, all right, so I'll continue this video on for tomorrow, and we'll get this floor done. And then hopefully in a couple of days here, we'll be starting to frame the walls in. All right, we'll catch you tomorrow. All right, everybody, I'm at day 4 for the workshop, and kind of progression's going a little slow. Didn't get much time to work on it yesterday. So I work and got the grandson over here for a couple hours once I get home. So it's later in the evening once I start working on this. But anyways, I had to kind of rethink the platform or the floor. I could not get it mounted where I wanted on this whiteboard that you see going on right through here, because it didn't give me enough clearance for the 8-foot walls until I hit up here. So I've got it down as far to the ground as I can, so I had to redo that. So that was some time that was wasted there. So my plan is today I'm going to put some more support in here and get the floor, get the insulation in and on the floor on, and then call that a night. So let's get at it. All right, well, it took me a little bit longer than expected. I'm doing this by myself, so I'm gonna quit for the night, but I did get what I wanted to accomplish tonight. I wanted to at least get the floor done because there's rain in the forecast for tomorrow, so I want to get this covered up and then maybe take a couple nights off, and then over the weekend I'm gonna start framing the walls in. But I'm gonna get my mess cleaned up and call it a night. Catch you on the framing of the walls.